Thank you for coming back for another stimulus package update. Today we've got a lot of stuff to cover. I've got my notes down here, so you're going to see me looking down a lot at my notes. Because if I tried to remember it, this old brain, it would have been gone. So I had to make the notes. Okay, the very first thing is a lot of people that get Social Security or Medicare or whatever the government check is that they get every month, they hadn't got their stimulus package yet, the $1,200. And a lot of them are getting worried that maybe they're not going to get it. Hang tight, you're going to get it. They said today that they will start sending them out May 4th. Well, a few days before May 4th. You should be getting them around May 4th, the week of. So hang tight, it's coming. And the people that kind of fall through the cracks, you could say, that having to wait for a paper check, them are the people that don't have any income, don't do the income tax, don't have direct deposit. Those people will be getting a paper check, and they are really worried because they're saying it's going to take up to September before they get it. No, it's not September the 1st for them. September the 1st is for people that makes $200,000, and their check is not going to be very big at all. So y'all don't worry about that. They're saying now they're going to start sending out 5 million paper checks a week until it's done. So hang tight, they're coming. Okay. Basically, this package that they're working on, the $2,000 a month, it's people are wondering, will they get it? Basically, if you have a Social Security number and you're over 16, most likely you're going to get it. There is a few stipulations that you won't get it, but very few. If you're over 16 and have a Social Security number, you can almost bank on the fact that you're going to get that package if it's passed. And like I said yesterday, I really don't think that's going to be passed. Okay. Did y'all know that? Well, we all know that the federal government and IRS messes up anything they put their paws into. And they've messed up this. People are getting their checks sent to the wrong place and all kinds of stuff. But did you know dead people are getting the stimulus package? People that's in the ground are getting the stimulus package, while the people that's above ground, that's struggling, don't have it yet. Makes no sense. But that's the IRS and the federal government for you. But rest assured, they are coming. It's just going to take a little bit longer. Okay, this whole corona pandemic thing, look at it as a reset button to reset your life, reset your goals, reset your future. Maybe think about starting an online business, starting an emergency savings account, so when this happens again, and it will happen again, whether it be a hurricane, tornado, or whatever, we face these problems just about every year that you need extra money. Well, if you've got a good savings account, just a few dollars a month is all it takes. You're self-sufficient. You'll be able to handle that storm. If you can put back $100 a month, I know you can't do it right now, but in the future when we get back to business as normal, put back $100 a month. That's $1,200 a year. There's your stimulus package right there. And if you do it for 2 years, that's $2,400. And just keep doing it. One day it's going to come in handy. So use this as a reset button. Reset your way of thinking about money. And if you get a windfall of some money and you don't need it right now, save it for when you do. That's the big key. Save it. Don't go out and blow it just because you can. I know it's your money and you can do whatever you want to with it. I'm just telling you the best way to handle it. Okay, yesterday I came down real hard on people that was out buying color TVs, the flat screens, new phones, braids for their hair, and all that kind of stuff. Y'all, it's your money. I understand that. And you can do what you want to with it. I understand that. But wouldn't it make more sense that if you don't need it, which I'm glad you don't need it, and you're able to buy these things, I'm glad you don't need it. But wouldn't it make more sense is if you don't need it right now, to save it for when you do? Because we don't know when we're going to get another stimulus package. We don't even know if we ever will or not. Sure, they've got 3 different bills on the table right now, but none of them have been passed. Nothing's in stone. We don't know what's going to happen. They could just throw it all in the garbage and just don't do anything. I don't think that's going to happen, but it could. So save your money. Don't go out and blow it just because you got extra money. Save it for when you do need it, because you will need it. Y'all, yesterday on my video, I had a lot of hate comments, people calling me racist because of I'm trying to tell you to save your money. Don't buy those flat screen TVs. Don't buy that new iPhone. And I used a girl's name, Shaquita, I think it was. Well, people call me racist for using that name. Would you feel better if I used Walter or Mark? I mean, it's just a name. That name does not have a race attached to it. If you think I'm racist, look in the mirror. You're the first one to pull that race card. I never said anything about racist. So, I don't care what you think about me, first of all. I will sleep good tonight no matter what you think about me. But one thing I am not is racist. In my household, my wife is Filipino. I'm Indian, Irish, and German. My daughter is mixed. My granddaughter is black. So don't bring that race shit to me, because I am not racist. You can hate me for other things, but not that. Okay, enough of that. I'm done with the race thing. If anybody has any race comments, I'm not going to reply to you, because I'm not going to waste my time with lowlifes like you. But keep your chins up. We're going to get through this thing, and I will be making these videos every day. I first said I would make them 5 days a week, but I'm going to change my mind on that. I'm going to make them 7 days a week until this pandemic thing is over, and then I'll go down to 5 days a week. So please subscribe to my channel so you get all my updates and all of my little ramblings. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up or thumbs down, whichever you want. Give me some love, give me some hate, I don't care. But just know, when you bring the race stuff, I will not respond to you. Until tomorrow, just know, I love you all. Keep your chins up. We're going to get through this. Ciao.